To automatically turn on sleep mode when you are sleeping while wearing your watch on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. If you have paired your watch with your phone, you will see an option to use your watch to detect when you are sleeping. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to sleeping until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap done button to save the change. With this setting, now when you are wearing your watch, your phone will use it to detect when you are sleeping and will automatically enable the sleep mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.